Hi, so in this video, I am going to tell you how to create a Telegram channel on your mobile phone. So first you need to open your Telegram application, then click on the pencil at the end of the screen. Then you can see here an option new channel. So you need to click on new channel. Then you need to decide a name for your channel. For example, my name is Krish, so I'm just putting Krish my name. So you can just put any name you want to, and then any description. If you want to put any description, this is optional. So then you can just click on tick mark at the top, and you can just decide the that this channel will be public channel or a private channel, or you can just go to link and then type any link. If you want to type this link, and you can try any link you want to, that will work for you. Okay, so that will be your channel link, and you can share your channel by that link. So you can select the public or private, then you just need to click on tick mark. And if you want to add any member, you can just add from this, and if you don't want to add any member, you can just click on the arrow. Now your channel is created, and you can now access this channel and upload things on that channel, and you can also send invitations uh, to the persons to add on this channel.